In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the designer not loading in Webflow. The designer is where you control your website's layout, add elements, sections, pages, interactions, images, and more. If it's not loading, start by clearing your browser cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, manage site data, delete Webflow data, and clear your browsing history. If the issue persists, try opening Webflow in an incognito or private window to rule out browser extensions or conflicts. Log in again and check if the designer loads. If it still doesn't work, the final step is to contact Webflow support for assistance, as the problem may be account-specific or technical on their end. And that's it. That's how you fix the designer not loading in Webflow.